Let's take a quick look at how to add to list on Amazon. So if you want to add products to a list, you can have different lists on Amazon. And if we scroll down and maybe just find some kind of product here, how about this tea set here on the right? So if we're on a product page, on the right-hand side, we're going to see this kind of this checkout area, right? As we scroll down to the bottom of it, we're actually going to see this little add to list button. And so we have a drop-down arrow, which means we can actually pick from our different lists. We can also click on add to list, and that's just going to add it straight to your wish list. You can then view your list from there. So we have a wish list, and then we have our own lists that we've created. So I'm going to click the X button real quick. And if we click on that little drop down arrow again, we're going to see the different lists that we've had created, but we can also create a list at the bottom of that drop down. When we click on that, we can choose the name for our list. So I'll just keep this as shopping list. You can create it as a registry or a gift list, or just create. So you can create a separate list for like a registry, which acts differently, or you can just create this list. Once you've added that product to the list, you can actually click view list, and that's going to take you over here to that actual list. Now you can see your different lists on the left, where you can have them be private, public, or shared. And in the upper right, you've got 3 dots here where you can actually manage this list. And when you manage it, that's when you can change all those different items. So like you can change whether it's private or public and change who the list is for and everything like that. But that's how you can add products to a list on Amazon.